person who has studied in the European Union will vouch for the fact that it has some of the best and competitive higher educational institutes in the world. True, COVID-19 dampened the spirits of many students who were interested in studying abroad in 2020 and 2021. But times have changed again. As per UNESCO, despite the major pandemic and restricted travel across the world, 91% of Indian students have shown interest in pursuing their studies abroad. With more and more people getting vaccinated, international travel has opened up, and so have the higher education institutes. In addition, a hybrid model of education system post-pandemic has resulted in a drastic shift in students' mindset, and students in India seem to be keener on traveling to Europe to study. And you are on the right track. Europe has opened up like before, only with better and safer guidelines for you to pursue your studies. In the 2022 World University Ranking, the European Union has 257 universities in the top 1,000, more universities than the US and Canada combined. European universities offer world-class education which pushes students to think forward. The academic environment is diverse and multicultural, and the faculties are supportive and competent. The doctoral programs are usually fully funded, and a number of undergraduate and graduate programs are taught in English. Europe offers a wide range of courses across different disciplines, from traditional to cutting-edge frontiers of knowledge. The robust curriculum followed in European universities focuses not only on learning in the classroom but also provides exposure to students in the industry. So whether you intend to pursue arts, commerce, or even STEM courses like sciences, technology, engineering, and management, Europe has lots to offer. In fact, if you are a research student, then you will be amazed at the quality of research facilities in the European Union. Many might argue that it is expensive to study in Europe, but the fact of the matter is that scholarship opportunities in the European Union are aplenty. The most popular being Erasmus Plus and Erasmus Mundus. But did you know that besides Erasmus, there are several national and institutional scholarships available to students from India? If you want to know more, attend the European Higher Education Virtual Fair, which will be held on 24th, 25th and 26th November 2021 by the European Union. Most of the leading higher educational institutes teach courses in English. What does this mean? Irrespective of the country that you are interested to study in, you will always find options of pursuing your choice of course from leading institutes in Europe. Being one of the most dynamic internal markets, Europe offers you with the best post-study prospects for employment opportunities, not only in the continent but across India as well as the world. The option of fluidity of movement across countries could be one of the best experiences you will ever gather in your lifetime. Couple this with travel, experiences, culture, new languages, friendships, and opportunities, and you have got yourself a nicely carved out life. So, go ahead and realize your dreams to study in Europe in 2022 and let a new world open up for you.